be patient. She'll be here soon.
I'm already here. I'll wait for her. You give it up.
She's here. Nika, where have you been? Ekene has been here for a while now.
I went to the park to do some way bill. I didn't know you were here. I didn't see your car parked outside.
No, it's at the mechanic. It has minor issue. They're fixing it.
Well, I guess I have to excuse both of you, okay? Nika, take off your guest, okay?
How are you?
I'm fine.
I didn't know when you left my home the last time you were there.
Oh, I think the alcohol had its effect on you.
Oh, yes. That's so funny. I didn't know it. Just a glass of wine. I feel wasted already. I don't understand. It's so strange. Very strange.
Strange?
Oh, yes. Very strange. I mean, after taking that glass of wine, I saw darkness all over me and I passed out.
I think maybe your system wasn't ready for the alcohol at that moment.
Well, some days are like that. Honestly, this is not the first time this is happening to me. Anyway, how is your day going?
My day just started.
You look so beautiful. Look at you.
Hello? Yes? Yes, it's okay. It's okay. Hello. Well, I'm very sorry. I heard about the tragic news. Please accept my sympathy.
Save your pity. You think I don't know? You think you'll get away with this?
What nonsense are you spilling? You mean you don't have any respect?
Respect for a murderer. Chinonso told me everything. Every deal. Every threat. Now he's dead because of you.
Watch it, young woman. Please, don't accuse me of something I don't know nothing about.
I will expose you. Every dirty deal. Every lie. You think you can silence me the way you silence him? I'm not afraid of you. Ichi Amadi, justice will find you.
Young girl, you are walking on a dangerous path. Watch your tongue.
The games you play, the lies you lie, just to get attention and make her your wife. She's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame. She's not.
What are you doing here, Ichie?
We need to talk urgently.
You could have called.
This is not the kind of discussion for a phone call. We have problems.
No. If you say we have a problem, we are going to have a problem. I don't have a problem. You have a problem. Please, I don't know why. I do not want to be dragged into the mess that you have created.
If the problem wasn't that serious, I wouldn't be here, you know.
Whose fault is that? No, tell me, whose fault is that? Please, Ichie Biko, this was not what we planned. Mba, Osoro!
This is not the time for blame games. Since Chinonso told his sister everything, And if she decides to expose everything she knows, both of us are gone. Finish.
It's here, Amadi. Yes. We're not finished. I am not finished. You are finished, right? My hands are clean.
Oh, don't play innocent with me. You are into this as much as I am. We are partners in the same crime.
It's here! Bcos, hold it there. Watch it. You are walking a fine line.
Oh no! We are into this together. It's either we float together or we sink. And for your girl, Neka, you should be very mindful of her. Maybe her reason for being with you is not the same reason she's with you.
The games you play, the lies you lie, just to get attention and make her your wife. But she's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame. Guinea Cameregi, but she's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame. The games you play, the lies you lie.
Ekene, you will have to excuse me. Yes, ever since I took that concussion this morning, my stomach has been acting up. They told me it's very good for blood pressure, but obviously it's good for nothing.
Yeah, so sorry, please. Take it easy on yourself.
Okay. Let me not go and do something that will...
Yes. I'll be here waiting. Yeah. No physical contact. All right? I want you to put an eye on her. Monitor every of her movement, where she goes to, and also who she meets. Now listen, don't mess this whole thing up for me. Don't. I would stay here a little longer to see if she will show up. But if anything changes, you know how to reach out to me. Listen again. Don't mess this up for me.
I thought you gave up on Brother Emeka. I thought you chose the easy way out. I never knew you were risking a lot.
I understand you misjudging me. But I didn't just want to drag into all of this. I feel you're young to be dragged into this.
I'm an old man in a young body. Don't forget I was raised in this family. I see and hear a lot more than you think.
Toba, I'm scared. I think Ekene knows. He knows what I did.
Sister, honestly, I would advise you to be very careful. I think he has someone trailing you.
Chimo, bianyere maka, akamo dioche, obi mo, obi agbawagomo, akamo dioche.
Ichie you. I never imagined that you'd be part of this crime.
Madam, I'm not.
Then why am I here? Why am I kidnapped?
You are not kidnapped. I saved you. If I had not saved you, you would have been dead by now.
I don't believe you.
I know what I'm thinking. Mama is in a safe place, so that doesn't go. Hello? Give the phone to Mama. Yes. Speak to me. Don't be afraid. Calm down.
Mama, is that you?
Now you see why you have to help us to expose this one. Calm down,
Chimo, bianyere maka. Akamo, dioche. Obi mo, obi abawagomo. Akamo, dioche. Obi mo, obi abawagomo. Iwe nonu majuru obi mo. Obi mbawana riri juru obi mo. Amara na nwanne nna m mesiri m ike.
Chiamadi.
Yes, officer.
Good afternoon, sir.
Oh, afternoon.
We're actually heading to your house. Thank God we saw you.
Oh, good. Heading to my house. And why are you heading to my house? For what purpose?
You have an invitation in our station.
Invitation?
Yes.
Oh, very good. No problem. But am I being arrested?
No, not at all.
Yeah, not at all. Not at all. Yes. Okay. I'll follow you. No problem. But after you see I'm a man of honor.
I see.
No worry.
You can go.
Now, let's talk about Chinonso.
Chinonso. I've been hearing the rumors. Malicious rumors being peddled by her sister, claiming that it had something to do with this unfortunate end.
But she says she has every evidence linking towards this death.
Well, it's simple. Let her produce it. Come to think of it, what kind of business will I be doing with him that will want me to kill him?
Maybe you should tell me.
If I didn't threaten to speak, you won't be here.
Why am I here?
I need you to get me out of here.
How am I supposed to do that?
Use your connections. I know you have good friends in high places, so use them.
You think it works like that?
It's not about what I think, but what you must do. And let me promise you one thing. If you don't get me out of here, I will not sing alone.
Ichi, I hope this is not a threat.
It's not a threat, but a promise.
The games you play, the lies you lie, just to get attention and make her your wife. But she's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame. Guinea Cameregi, Guinea Cameregi. But she's not fooled by your riches. She's not fooled by your games you play, the lies you lie, just to get attention and make her your wife. She's not fooled by your riches. She's not fooled by your fame. Ini Edo. She's not fooled by your riches. She's not fooled by your fame.
I'm finished.
In your world of luxury and gold, you see her and your heart grows cold. She's the prize of the trophy you desire, but she is already taken by a love that is on fire. Imam Kwenchi Wawa, Makanoku Adiova.
What about all your connections in the CP's office? Huh? Can't you pull some strings?
You manipulate, you deceive, you lie, you implicate him in a crime he didn't commit.
Is there nothing you can do?
The games you play, the lies you lie, just to get attention and make her your wife. She's not fooled by your riches. She's not fooled by your fame. She's not fooled.
Inspector, this is 500,000. I wanted to make sure that the Chiamadi doesn't speak more words from the cell.
Very tempting, but it's impossible.
What do you mean by it is possible? Are you trying to tell me that you cannot handle one man?
Mr. Amadi in that cell is like holding a dynamite. Any touch, it strikes up. It's bringing up attention.
Are you trying to tell me that there's nothing you can do as it stands?
Nothing.
This is 500,000, 500,000.
It's good doing business with you, but I must tell you, it's impossible. See you some other time.
Inspector.
The games you play, the lies you lie, just to get attention and make her your wife. She's not fooled.
Ekene is leaving town. He is done with you. He won't dare.
You wouldn't?
Yes. As soon as he gets on that bus, every crime, everything that the two of you did together becomes yours alone.
He promised he will fix it.
Fix it?
Yes.
Ekene is fixing his escape. You think he's losing sleep over you? Do the needful, because Ekene has no plan of getting you out of here.
You see her and your heart grows cold. She's the prize of the trophy you desire, but she is already taken.
If I can't get him out, if I can't silence him, he would drag me under with him. he will drag me under with him.
You manipulate, you deceive, you lie, you implicate him in a crime he didn't commit at all. Abozekisi eme, abozekisi eme. Uwe pego kwa mibazo, mema kaja makalovo. Uwe pego kwa mibazo, mema kaja makalovo. Uwe pego kwa mibazo, mema kaja makalovo. Uwe pego kwa mibazo, mema kaja makalovo.
That file holds every evidence linking you towards Okafor's mother.
What nonsense.
Bank statements, call logs, an entry from Okafor's phone. You threaten to kill him if he doesn't give you your own share.
Then there is Chinonso. Money moved between you, Ekene, and a dead man. Why? What's Ekene's role in all of this?
Hello? What? I did not ask him to kill anyone. I did not. Thank you. Thank you, Chike. I understand.
The games you play, the lies you lie, oh, just to get attention and make her your wife. She's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame. Guinea Cameregi, Guinea Cameregi. She's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame. The games you play, the lies you lie.
Neka, this is really nice. I mean, this food speaks of you. I think you should cook for me every day.
Really? I'm glad you like the food.
I love it. After getting married to you, I won't have to stay long, weeks, months without eating this kind of food. In fact, this is the best.
Yes, I look forward to that.
That's good. Thank you. Thank you.
By a love that is on fire.
Hi. I should have known. Should have seen this coming. Neka, you used me? You played me for a fool? I swear to God, you will regret this. You will regret this. I am coming for your father and for you too. You all can make me feel like a fool. Mba. Stay your useless father. I'm coming for you all.
The games you play. lies you lie, just to get attention and make her your wife. She's
Not reachable.
fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame. Guinea Cameregi, Guinea Cameregi. She's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame. She play the lies you lie.
Hello?
What is it, Ekene? Do you know what time it is?
I'm really sorry. If it wasn't urgent, I would not be calling by this time, please. Sir, please. Hello? Hello? Hi! What is going on? What is going on? What do I do?
Your heart rose gold. She's depressed.
You did well. You did well.
Yes, thank you.
Yes. Thank you for bringing Chinonso on board. I really appreciate it. I'm very certain that he's going to be a great CSO when the mall opens.
He is a very strong, well young man. He knows all the troublemakers in this our community. He used to be one of them. Now I can fight for him. He will do very well.
You have nothing to worry about, Ekene. I promise you that. Absolutely nothing.
That's why they think they are men. Let them do it. Let them even try it first. Like they are mad. We'll be fighting for what is not. This is that place.
I don't like that boy. Always violent.
That fool. That fool tried to kill me. Last time he saw me working on his uncle's farmland.
Do you know this boy? This boy here is the reason why Neka refuses to give me her attention.
How? I don't get it. This riffraff that can't even fend for himself, competing with you over Neka's attention. How? Why?
Maybe he used some charm on her.
No, Ichie. Contrary to that opinion. I just feel she's just foolishly in love with Daddy. Riffraff.
And you are doing nothing about it. I know you like Neka. See, women sometimes can be blind to realities of life.
I know. But Ichie, you should understand. You should know that I have the wherewithal to break the both of them. I have what it takes to break them apart. You know, there is nothing this man can offer this girl. It is obvious. Whatever that man can offer this girl is a life of hardship and struggle. That's all. You can see him gallivanting all the village, making troubles and fighting everybody. Is that a life of a responsible young man?
No.
Well, sorry. Ichie.
Yes.
Because I will have to stop here now. Okay. I'll get in touch with you later. No problem. Let me pick this call. One O.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Hello? Ichie, what is this about?
I think I can help make Neka yours forever.
How do you mean?
If they stop seeing each other, Neka will consider advances, since that low life is the barrier.
Ichie, how do you tend to achieve this?
For the right amount, I can help you put Emeka away permanently.
No. Ichie. No, it hasn't got into this. Please, Biko. No.
Don't overthink what I've just said. I don't mean killing him.
Okay. It's because of the way you put it. That was all I could think about or think of.
You see, I have a different idea about it.
Okay, let's hear. What is your idea?
Patience is virtue, but trust me, when it is done, you will have neck as your wife, as long as you like. But you have to pay a lot of money.
Ichi Amade. What you're asking me to do is very, very dangerous. And it can lead me into a very serious trouble.
Now, so you are talking of trouble. Your life is already troubled. You see, let me ask you one question. Since you've been struggling in this village, how much have you been able to earn?
Nothing really, but...
That's what I'm saying. This offer I'm giving you now will turn your whole life into good. Your mother that is sick, you will have more than enough to take care of her.
But Mazi Okafor is your friend. Is he not your friend?
Mazi Okafor is not my friend. And he can never be anybody's friend. Trust me on that.
Okay. What if they trace it down to me?
Don't worry. They won't trace it to you. Everybody in this village know that Emeka is a sworn enemy to Mazi Okafor. And when it happens, the blame will be placed squarely on Emeka's shoulder. You see, I have a plan. It's very precise and it's foolproof.
Okay, now let me hear the plans.
Then come closer. See, when you do it like that, I have the backup.
Ichiembao. I can't do that, please. I can't do that, Ichie. No, I can't.
Listen, you know you have a lot to gain from this day. Remember about your sick mother.
The games you play, the lies you lie, just to get attention and make her your wife. But she's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame. Guinea Cameregi, Guinea Cameregi. She's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame. The games you play, the lies you lie, just to get attention and make her your wife. But she's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame. Guinea Cameregi, Guinea Cameregi. She's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame. In your world of luxury and gold, you see her and your heart grows cold. She's the prize of the trophy you desire.
He is the mastermind. He planned everything and have nothing to do with him. Right? He did everything. He planned everything from beginning to the end.
Ekene, how dare you? You are as guilty as I am. Mad. Listen, maybe your memory is failing you. Let me refresh. 1. Who wanted a beggar out of the way? 2. Who begged me to help him do the job? 3. Who begged me?
Did I ask you to kill him?
Really?
Did I ask you to kill anyone?
So when you knew he did, why didn't you expose him?
Okay.
Officer, I was simply confused. Very, very confused. You know if I had exposed him, I would get myself implicated.
You are already implicated. You chose silence over justice. Both of you will pay for the law. Every crime, you will pay for it.
Chimo, bianyere maka. Akamo, 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 obi obi mo, obi abawagomo. Akamo, akamo, akamo dioche, obi obi mo, obi abawagomo. Iwe nonu majurobi mo.
Don't.
Obimba wana riri jurobi mo. Amara na wane na mo mesrimike. Okwera mwara miri. Tomorrow you go. Obi bawara mo. Obi mo. Obi chiwara mo. Akamo dioche. Obi mo dioche. Omari femere manche. Chenta. Akamo akamo. Akamo dioche. Obi obi mo.
Eat and regain your strength. Oh, I made this special for you. Oh. Kini ka mme kwere ga emeka. Hey.
I pushed her too far. In the name of a better future. Future for who? For her or for me? My bride. What kind of father am I? I was blind to her pains, her choices, her heart. I wanted her to have more than I ever had. But at what cost? Oh, I crushed her spirit. I crumbled her heart. But at what cost? At what cost? Nneka, I failed you. I failed the one person that I swore to protect.
Love is stronger than any lies. Love is stronger than any lies. It shines like beckoning in the dark.
You need to forgive your mother. Everything she did was out of love and pure intentions. She made a secret to your father not to let out the secret. Because letting it out will be betraying him.
But I asked Mama every single day of my life. She lied to my face. She lied to my face. Why?
See, she's hurting the same way you're hurting. She carried the same burden the same way you're carrying yours.
But that's not supposed to be the reason she lied. She's meant to tell me the truth. No matter what. When people talk to me every now and then, they embarrass me. I'll come home and ask her, instead of her to tell me the truth. You're telling me because you don't know how I feel.
Let me ask you a question. If your mother dies from this guilt and pain, will it make you feel better? Are you going to be happy knowing the fact that she's dead? Obim, if your mother loses her life, I am not going to forgive you either. You are stronger than this.
Love is stronger than any lies. Love is stronger than any lies. It shines like beckoning in the dark of night. It guides you through the stormy weather and brings you back to the one who truly loves you better. Oh baby, your love go conquer through the fire, through the storm, through the rain. Your love go conquer. Your love must find his way. Your love go conquer through the fire, through the storm, through the rain. Your love go conquer. You must stand again with your love. Your love go conquer through the fire, through the storm, through the rain. Your love go conquer. My love, we have been through tests. Now we are stronger, we are standing again. You have been to the depth of sorrow and pain. Oh, but your love has risen. You are standing again. Oh, yeah, yeah, oh, be more. Oh, my love, we are standing again. Standing again. Our love is stronger. Oh, yeah, yeah. Our enemies has fallen. They try to destroy what we shared. They try to destroy our love, but it only grows stronger. Onyekema, baby, Arabunamo, baby, Monagigi, for better for us all. 'Cause your love is pure, your love is true, and now the world go see. Namona gigebi for better for us all. Your love go conquer through the fire, through the storm, through the rain. Your love go conquer. You must stand again with your love. Your love go conquer. Through the fire, through the storm, through the rain, your love go conquer.
You have to stop crying. Okay? I've forgiven you. The truth is that you did what you think is right. As a human, I should be angry. But it's fine, I've forgiven you. Okay? You and Papa are the only biological parents I know. No matter what happens, you are still my mother.
And you, Emeka, you will always be my son. No matter what, my love for you will never fade.
Love is stronger than any lies. Love is stronger than any lies. It shines like beckoning in the dark of night. It guides you through the stormy weather and brings you back to the world.
Good day.
Good day, myself. Please sit down. It's good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Emeka, I was actually planning to come see you since you came out, you know. But you know, I've been very busy. Yes.
To come see me.
Uh-huh. Yes. You know, I owe you apology. Yes, I owe you apology. I was hostile and harsh towards you. But look, it wasn't intentional, Lord, honestly. I was just trying to, you know, protect my daughter. You understand what I mean? Huh?
Protect your daughter from the what exactly?
I can see that you don't understand. But it's all right. With time, you will understand, you know. I mean, when you start having your own children, you will understand the weight, the gravity of the responsibility that a father has towards the children. I mean, he needs to protect the future of the children, and that was what prompted me to do what I did.
It's okay, Chi. The truth is that I'm surprised. I really don't know how I feel, but it's something that I wasn't expecting, you know. So it's fine. I think I know where you're headed, and I hold no grudges against you.
That is why I like you. Yeah? That's why I like you, honestly. So how are you since you came out? Well, I guess I will excuse you guys. I'm coming.
Why are you looking like you've seen a ghost?
It's just your father. The reception I got from your father. It still feels like a dream to me. I mean.
But you know my father never hated you.
Yeah, I know. He never hated me. He hated the fact that you fell in love to a low life like me.
No, don't say that. You are not a low life. As a matter of fact, I saw great potentials in you. So, how is Mama?
Mama is fine. I apologized.
You did? Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. You see why I love you. You listen.
Thank you. Come on. Don't be a terrible host. Entertain your visitor. Good. Emeka, I am going somewhere. I have a meeting to attend, but I will soon come back. So, I want you to wait for me. Yes, wait for me because I have a lot of things to discuss with you. Alright? So, take care of him.
Okay. Papa.
You said I should wait for you.
Of course, yes.
Love is stronger than any life. Love is stronger than any life. It shines like beckoning in the dark of night. It guides you through the stormy weather and brings you back to the world.
So are you ready to tell me how you were able to know that Ekene was the one who set me up?
Well, two people had something to gain from having you out of the picture. That is Ekene and my father.
The father?
Someone died. Ekene. Look, my father could be many things, but definitely not a killer. Ekene.
So what happened?
I couldn't confront him alone, so I met with Uncle Kachuko. He needed to see the revelations he gave me. It was more than I expected.
If you ask me, I will say Amanda is the one that killed Elder Okafor. Yes.
Elder Amadi? Yes. Why? But what would he gain from killing him?
Over a share of Emeka's farmland.
What does Elder Amadi have to do with Emeka's stolen land?
Okafor promised Amadi some portions of the land if he supports him to claim that land. When he did, he turned back on his promise, and that started crisis.
Uncle, how do you know this?
I stumbled onto one of their arguments one day at the courtyard when Amadi was threatening Okafor. He even threatened him with death. Yes.
He threatened to kill him?
Yes.
Then we should report to the police. At least now that all eyes are on Emeka, it can help move the whole thing away from him.
You have a point there. But don't forget that the Lord does not act on hearsay, but evidence, empirical evidence.
But, Uncle, how do I get close to Ichie Amade without him suspecting any motive?
You don't have to get close to Amadi. Just go and get Ekene.
Get Ekene? Yes. What does Ekene have to do with this?
You have said it yourself. Who gains more if Emeka is put away? Does that make sense?
That must be really, really tough for you. Doing all of that and still coming to see me, that was really tough. That was brave.
You know, I just couldn't let you suffer for what you know nothing about. I knew you were innocent.
God blessed me with a good woman. It was really, really hard for me. And this is why it's hard to let you go no matter what. You have no idea how I felt. You have no idea. Of course you know. You know everything. But it was difficult for me. What makes it more difficult is almost feeling like I wasn't going to come back to your warm embrace. I almost lost it. There was no hope. There was no way to prove my innocence. There was nothing. I felt like I've lost it all. I've lost the land. I've lost the only woman I love. And then...
Honey, you know what? I actually missed you more. But the whole missing you gave me more reason to propel and fight. And prove your innocence. Look at you, you're back.
Not a woman would do that. Some will think it's an avenue for them to move on.
Hell no. I love you.
I love you so much. And thank you for all you did for me. Thank you for going out of your way. Thank you for being there. Irrespective of the pressure, irrespective of everything. You still stand tall for me.
Love is stronger than any lies. Love is stronger than any lies. It's...
Oh yeah, tell me first, eh? How do I look?
You look so good, my darling. I don't even know what to say. Just go there and make me proud.
Alright. Pray for me before I go.
Okay. I wish you all the luck and blessings you would ever need today. May God's grace follow you today and evermore. Amen. You've got this.
Thank you.
Trust me. See my baby. See my cousin.
Through the fire, through the storm, through the rain, your love goes.
Love you.
That's so urgent.
Yes. See you.
What is it?
So, I went there. They welcomed me. They asked me everything. I told them. I gave them documents of my land. Only for them to offer me this. This is a lease.
I don't understand.
7 years. 7 years lease.
This is 50 million naira.
They offered 50 million. And not only that, they offered for me to be the manager for that 7 years. 250,000 every month.
Oh my, this is massive. Honey, this is too much.
It's
50 million. Am I seeing? What's 50? Look at this. 50 million. I am so happy. I'm so happy for you. I am so happy for you.
You made all of this happen.
I've always believed in you, honey. Just look at you.
I wouldn't have achieved this without you.
Come here.
They try to destroy what we share.
Life has a way of humbling a man. I thought I knew what was best for you. But life has taught me that the parent's instinct is not always right. Papa, let's me finish. I was against this. I was against the maker. But seeing both of you together, I'm not something. The parents should not dictate the lives of his children. Guide and trust.
Papa, I do not take your wisdom for granted. I also want you to know that I will always be proud to have you as my father.
And I will always be proud to call you my daughter.
Love is stronger than any lie.
Thank you.
Love is stronger than any lies. It shines like beckoning in the dark of night. It guides you through the stormy ways.
You know me. I go for the best. To be honest, I never knew you are this handsome.
Mazi, you know, that money be fine, Bobo.
Money changes things.
Exactly, money changes things.
Including humans.
Including humans. Success. Money brings success.
Yeah.
So, food is ready.
Oh.
Let's go to the diner.
Yes. Shall we?
Yes, we will go to the dining. But before then, I have something I want to tell you.
I know that you love to eat lots of meat. Don't worry, I have plenty of them in the food. Let's go. I know you love meat.
Eat with my in-law.
Neka, I have fought many battles in life. Some I won, some I lost. But there's only one battle that I'm still finding hard to win. It's your heart. I want to win that battle of being your husband. Will you marry me?
Emeka.
Are you going to leave him kneeling like this? Huh? Sister, say yes.
Yes! Yes! Over and over again. Yes! Yes! Yes, I'll marry you. Yes! 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 I love you.
Yeah, you just need to go to that party. We're trying to get it right?
Yes, yes.
Love is stronger than any lies. Love is stronger than any lies. It shines like beckoning in the dark of night. It guides you through the stormy weather and brings you back to the one who truly loves you better. Oh baby, your love go conquer through the fire, through the storm, through the rain. Your love go conquer. Your love must find his way. Your love go conquer through the fire, through the storm, through the rain. Your love go conquer. You must stand again with your love. Your love go conquer. Through the fire, through the storm, through the rain, your love go conquer. My love, we have been through this. Now we are stronger, we are standing again. You have been